Lights, camera, action!
Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you.
The songs that made the cowboys dance, that's what we're singing about now. But first, we're gonna bring out the little lady whose idea of moonlighting is to howl at the moon.
Every cowboy's favorite coyote?
The one, the only Harmony Howlett.
Hey!
Howdy, boys.
Hi, Harmony.
Oh, Harmony, I'd waltz across anything with you.
Well, how about Texas? When we dance together, my world's in disguise. It's a fairyland tale come true.
And when you look at me with those stars in your eyes, I could waltz across Texas with you.
Hey, Harmony, you ever hear a wolf whistle?
No, but I've seen a foxtrot.
Oh,
Waltz across Texas with you in my arms. Waltz across Texas with you.
Like a storybook ending, I'm lost in your charms.
And I could waltz across Texas with you. And I could waltz across Texas with you.
Hey, boss, I know a pizza chef from Texas. He's so rich, he doesn't even have his Cadillac air-conditioned.
oh no!
No, he just keeps a half-dozen cold ones in the fridge.
That was a very thought-provoking statement
Very
there,
funny.
Pasquale.
Very funny.
Tell us, Harmony, where do you get your ideas for these little shows
Oh,
here?
I just dream them up.
Really? They must be some nightmares.
Thanks for the insult, Big C.
You're welcome. Would you like another one?
No, my doctor put my ears on a diet.
Your ears are on a diet.
Yeah, listening to your bad jokes could make me a real fathead.
It's too late, sweetheart.
All right, come on, boys. Let's get on with the next song and leave Big C to his insults.
The honky tonks in Texas were my natural second home.
Where you tip your hat to the ladies and the rose of San Antone.
I grew up on music that we called Western Swing. And it don't matter who's in Austin, Bob Wills is still the king.
Deep in my heart lies a melody, a song of old San Antone, where in dreams I live with a memory beneath the stars all alone.
And now this next song is dedicated to an old cowboy I know named Joe. Out in Arizona where the bad men are, and the only friend to guide you is an evening star.
The roughest, toughest guy by far is Ragtime Cowboy Joe.
Now when he starts stepping on the dance hall floor,
No one but a lunatic would start a war.
Wise men know his 44 makes me dance for fair. He always sings raggy music to the cattle as he swings back and forward in the saddle on a horse that is syncopated, gated, and there's such a funny meter to the roar of his repeater.
How they run when they hear that fellow's gun. Because the Western folks all know.
Well, he's a highfalutin, scootin', shootin' son of a gun from Arizona, Ragtime Cowboy Joe. He's that cowboy, talk about your cowboy, Ragtime Cowboy Joe.
What kind of a cowboy?
He's a highfalutin, scootin', shootin' son of a gun from Arizona, Ragtime Cowboy. He's that cowboy, Ragtime Cowboy Joe. Ragtime Cowboy Joe.
you know what, Big C?
What's that?
I think Harmony's really gonna go far.
Yeah, and as far as I'm concerned, as soon as she goes there, the better.
Oh, no.
Jeez, folks, between Jasper's lovesick bugling and Harmony's howling, this show's really going to the dogs.
I love her.
Hey, see yous around.